Hola, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I promised you guys that during this quarantine we're just gonna be popping looks here. So today I was able to create this beautiful gorgeous look using the Neon by Garbie'Signature eyeshadow collection, and if you can't tell, I love it. I love the look. I love the vibe it's bringing. It was all shades of gorgeous. I had a lot of glitch. Yeah, I had a lot of glitch recording this video, but look, I said no, my people have to see this. You guys need to see the tea, and it's gorgeous. I love this. If you like this look, keep watching, but before you go, click like, share, let everyone know about this. Keep our subscribe buttons up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Old subscribers, thank you for staying here, staying in touch, commenting, sharing some love, sharing a video. Basically, we're focusing on the eyeshadow today. I'm going to start with a transition color. And I'm just going again in a swipe motion. Doing the same thing over here. Just so that I get a beautiful transition color, I'm going on the edges of the color that I've placed the first initial color, which is orange and red. I'm just going in with the yellow. I had no idea my camera went off. I'm going in with this beautiful gorgeous color by the Neon by Gabby, and that's what I'm using today. I'm going in with this pointed fluffy brush. It's in a tap 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 motion, starting from the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just slightly going up like so. And this is still on just one touch, evenly spreading out the eyeshadow. I'm stretching my eyelids just so that it doesn't crease and it goes in flawlessly. I'm just going to keep tapping till all the powder goes off. So I'm showing you guys, I've done the first eye off camera and I'm doing the second eye with you, and this is how it goes. Tap 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 motion, so you get all you want. After V, I'm just going to go in with a Jackie Aina collaboration palette. I'm doing it in a tap 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 motion just so it doesn't mess up with this. I'm going in again using the same fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend the edges together like so. I'm just gonna be lining my eyes and going on with my foundation, which you guys are gonna see in a minute. Keep watching, subscribe, like and share, subscribe, like and share. I'm going to go back in with my ELF Holy Hydration Cream to just moisturize the areas that I had wiped off because of the fallouts. And this cream is the plug. If you have eye pigmentation going on, this is gonna help. If you go back to previous videos of mine, check out what my face looked like and what my face looks like now. This is week 3, I believe, of using this, and personally I see huge improvement. So recommended, guys, the ELF Holy Hydration Cream. Go get yours now. I did something different by using the Juvia's Place eyeliner in the shade brown to line my eyes, and you can see the difference. Next up, I'm just gonna do my lips, and that'll be the end of this look. So today we've had a lot of glitches, and it's one of the things that happened, but I said I was gonna just go do this look to the end. I was trying to bake when my camera went off. I didn't know, I wasn't aware, but that's good. We're not gonna dampen the energy over here. I was able to set my face, do my eyelash off camera, but now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit nose contour just to soften my nose and make it look a little bit defined. We're gonna be doing this together, and the lips, and it's just gonna be the end of this. Next time I'm gonna be really ready. Using a darker shade powder, I'm just going to dust off the excess and blend my nose. I'm going into the thinnest part of the nose as gently as possible, and I'm just blending. As you can see, I've got a video showing you my foundation and highlight and contour routine. It's gonna pop in here or here. Just click on it to have a more detailed look, but for now I'm just going in trying to pinch my nose to be as slim as possible. So I'm contouring it, going into the bridge of my nose like so. And next I'm just going to go in to blend it out. I'm using a shade darker powder just to blend out my nose contour so it's not harsh and it looks seamless. So I'm taking it from the edge of my brows and I'm wiping it down from the edge of my brows and I'm swiping it down. Doing the same thing for this area, taking it from the edge of my brows and swiping it down. As you can see, it's more defined now than when I started, and that's it for the nose contour. I usually do this trick. I just go in with my index and my thumb and I just do this. So it's more like I'm pinching it, getting the product to be as close to the edge as possible. I'm gonna go in with my small precision brush and I'm gonna set my face, bringing this close to the edge, taking that away, doing the same thing over here. And doing the same thing over here. And that's the last step of what I'm going to do before I do my lips. I'm going to come to the end of this look. It was tedious filming it. I love the eyeshadow, I love the outcome, but it was a lot. It kept going off and it was just taking me by surprise. You know, it goes off and I don't know it's off, and I'm recording, talking, giving you guys the tea, but it is what it is. For my lips, I'll just go in with the MAC pencil in chestnut and I'm just slightly lining the edge of my lips like so. I'm trying to as precise as possible. You guys would have noticed this is like my favorite lip color. Nude. Nude got me any day, anytime. Next, I'm done blending the lips. I used the MAC lip liner in chestnut, and I used, if you want to know what I used for the middle of my lips, leave a comment below. I'm going to give you the secret. Now I'm just going in with my favorite lip gloss, the Fenty Beauty Bomb Gloss. So I'm just going like so. I'm going to trace my lips like so. Beauty lip gloss to finish up the look, and this is absolutely bomb. I'm feeling everything. It looks gorgeous, and yeah, here comes to the end of this video. If you like me creating this look, comment another color from the neon stack that I'm going to be showing you guys here. Comment what you like me to recreate, the colors you like me to use next. Let me know. I love how this look came together. Thank you for subscribing. Click like, share, and subscribe. Guys, I'm sorry that we have a lot of glitches, but it's quarantine, COVID-19. Keep washing your hands, stay clean, wipe down your groceries, stay home. The frontliners are doing their best to keep us safe. Let's do our part, okay? Till next time, bye guys.